Hello there, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll talk to you about how to solve the lightning port is not working on an iPhone 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro, or iPhone 14 Plus, or any other iPhone that you are currently using right now. Now, lightning port plays a very important role for our day-to-day life to charge our device, to connect different accessories, or even when you connect your iPhone to your computer, you need your lightning port work fine. But for some reason, let's say you're just trying to use an external device through your lightning port, you're trying to charge your device, you try to connect your device to your computer, if you found nothing is working here, that means you've got a problem with your lightning port. Now, there's a couple of ways that you guys can do right away to solve your problem. Now, the very first thing that I'm going to talk about is just cleaning your charging or lightning port. Now, sometimes if you are using your phone for a period of time, then there's a lot of dust and particle happen to get stuck inside of your port. So here, as you guys can see here, we got a bunch of different things. You can simply place them on here right onto your port and simply make sure to clean it out. And once you clean out your port from your iPhone here, let's go ahead and plug your charger and check your problem. Now, let's say you clean your charger port, but it's still you've got problem here. The next things that I'm going to talk about is your cable itself. Sometimes when you have a faulty lightning cable, then you can pretty much have this problem. So the next recommendation would be just go ahead and grab another lightning port and try to charge your device and see what happens. Now, if you found your charging cable is not working, at the same time, I'll also recommend you to check your adapter, because sometimes if your adapter isn't working here, no matter how hard you're going to try to charge your phone, this isn't gonna work. Let's say you did cleaning your port and you change your cable, but still you have the problem. Then the next things I would recommend you guys to do is go ahead and frequently put that lightning port into your charging port and keep doing it frequently and see if there's a difference or not. Now, let's say you still did that process too, but still have the same problem here. And the next things I'm going to talk about is the hardware problem. Now, most people actually have this problem because of the hardware issue. If you have the same problem here, in that case, you might want to take your iPhone to the Apple Care to solve your problem. So these are all of the processes you guys can follow right now to solve the lightning port isn't working on your iPhone. If you found this video useful by any means, just give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.